region students center to the chord in such a way this line bisects the chord, then this should be perpendicular on this chord. This you have to prove students. O and here what you will write here? M. Okay. What you will write here? Let COR be a circle. COR be a circle. Why you write this type? No need to write. Let a circle with radius O, with radius R and center O. No need to write this type. Means simply for description, any circle we will use locus. Means COR. C stands for circle, O stands for center, and R stands for radius. COR be a circle. Be a circle in which a line what stands OM is drawn such that this you have to write students, such that what is given AM equals to what given BM. AM equals to what given there BM. Then what we have to prove? What we have to prove students? To prove what you will write? OM is perpendicular on where? AB. OM is perpendicular on where students? AB. Then construction is required students. What you will do in construction? We have to join OA and OB. We have to join students OA and OB. That you have to write join OA and OB. OA and OB. Now students, you can prove AM equals to means OM perpendicular on AB. How? First students, you have to do this triangle and this triangle as congruent by side. You may see here what students OA equals to OB. OA equals to OB, radii of the same circle, and OM equals to OM. Where from? Common. And AM equals to BM. Where from? It is also given there. AM equals to BM. Where from? Given. Then what you may write? Triangle OMA is congruent to triangle what? OMB. Reason what you will write students? Side. Okay. In both triangle, if both triangle are congruent, then by CPCTC what you may write? This angle equals to this angle. Reason what you will write? CPCTC. Now look, proof. If you are knowing, then also look students for revision. Don't talk during the class, please. Hey girls, no need to talk. Before the class or in the interval of class you may talk, but this time no need to talk. Please, that I am requesting. If you are knowing, then also, because many students are also not able to understand this question, so I am giving. Okay, for all students. Okay, so try to look in triangle. What is this? AMO and triangle. What you will write? BMO. What you will write there, students? BMO. Then what you will write? AM equals to BM. Anyone you may write first. AM equals to BM. Where from? Given. Region you have to write. One side you have to write. Calculation, and if region is required, then that region also. And second one is what you will write? OM equals to OM. What? Common. Third step, what you will write there? Third step is what stands OA equals to OB. Anyone you can write first. Radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. Region you have to write there. Therefore, triangle AMO is congruent to triangle BMO. BMO students. Reason what you will write? Side, side, side. By what reason? Side, side. Here you will write by side, side, side. So what you will write here? Angle OMA equals to angle OMB. Angle OMA equals to angle OMB. By region what you write here? CT. Now since angle OMA plus angle OMB, angle OMB is how many degree? 180 degree. Region stands linear pair. That means here you prove their stands angle OMA and angle OMB are equal. So you may write twice of angle OMA equals to how many degree? 180 degree. So angle OMA equals to how many degree? 90 degree. So what you may write there stands OM is perpendicular on where stands? AB. This you will write OM is perpendicular on AB. If any one angle is 90 degree, either this side or this side, then this is perpendicular on OM is perpendicular on AB. Okay. Next theorem write. Linear pair. You may write full or that type also you may write linear pair. आपको बाहर जाना पड़ जाएगा अभी, समझ में आ रहा है? कौन है आप? मेरा हेडमास्टर। बहुत ज़्यादा एक्शन नहीं देना है, समझे? बहुत कम एक्शन देना है, समझे? जितना हो, नहीं तो कल का पूछते हैं बता दो सारा, कल का भी नहीं बता सको जो पढ़ा है, तो पता चल रहा है कितना। Again, second, next theorem write. Next theorem write stands. Prove that. Next write. What you were doing before sleeping? Right. Next question. Right. Prove that equal chords of a circle. Prove that equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle subtend or inclined, same thing. Prove that equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at center of the circle. At center of the circle. Equal chords of a circle subtends what stands? Equal angles at the center, and just vice versa of this also. Means each and every theorem has students converse also. Its converse also students. And before writing here you can talk, okay? If you have ability, okay? Means if I will start to write here, if you will talk, if I will catch, then that you have to go permanently outside of this class. If you have problem, then yourself from you can go. Okay? If you are not able to understand, then also you can go outside. Nothing problem. But if I will start to write this side, then no need to talk, students. Please, because I can watch who are talking. Okay? Because first, second day, so I am not giving any punishment. Otherwise, how much I can give punishment? You can decide yourself from either girls or boys. Okay? ए क्या है? कभी सुनी है? बात नहीं की कभी? जिस स्टैंड अप फर्स्ट, स्टैंड अप, फुल पीरियड में रहो, स्टैंड कंप्लीट फर्स्ट। और कौन बात करता है? स्टैंड अप करो। ट्राई टू लुक दिस थ्योरम, थ्योरम नंबर 3rd। व्हाट थ्योरम नंबर 3rd? Prove that equal chords subtends equal angle at the center of the circle. Equal chords subtend equal angles. Here it is center and equal chords are given. Equal chords are given. Here equal chords given students. One is AB. And another one is what given there? CD. Equal chords are given, and what you have to prove? Equal chords subtend equal angle at its center. Means what you have to prove? Angle AOB equals to what you have to prove, students? Angle COD. Okay? Sit down. That you will write, let COR be a circle, in which what it is given? AB equals to CD. AB equals to what given? CD. Then what you have to prove there? To prove what you have to prove, students? Angle AOB equals to angle COD. Means this you have to prove. Angle AOB. Last warning, students. Now this time from, if I will observe you are talking, then I will beat you. Okay, with duster. Listen me. Try to do. I will start to beat. Girl side. Always talking, students. Angle AOB equals to also equals to what? Angle COD. Try to look. Angle AOB equals to what you will write? Angle COD. How you will prove, students? Same method from. Look here. In triangle AOB, here I will write proof if you are not looking. In triangle AOB and triangle what is COD. You may see there AB equals to CD given already. AB equals to what given? CD. OA equals to what given? OB. OA equals to OD or OC you will take, not OB. Okay, because if you are taking OA this in this triangle, then in this triangle either you may take OC or OD. खड़ी है तुम तो? खड़ी हो जाओ पहले. AB equals to what is CD. Where from? Given. And next OA equals to what given? OC or OD, same thing. Because radii of the same circle. And OB equals to what is OC. Reason what you will write? Radii of the same circle. So by side, these both triangle are congruent or no? Yes. Side from both triangle are congruent. If both triangle are congruent, then what happens here? Tell me. If both triangle will congruent, then what you may write? तब इसी तरह जैसे देखो आज कुछ किसी को कुछ बताओगे और नहीं समझ में आएगा तो उसको मजाक ही लगेगा या अब्यूसिंग टाइप लगेगा, उसको गाली लगेगा, उसको समझ में नहीं आएगा तो उसको तो पागल के जैसा हंसेगा ही. उसी तरह एक दो बच्चे हैं, एक दो जो थोड़ा बहुत जानता है तो इसलिए हंस रहा है, एक दो बच्चा जो बिल्कुल नहीं जान रहा है, एकदम पूरा सपाट है, तो वो हंस रही है, तो उसको भी समझाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो नहीं समझ में आ रहा, मतलब लग रहा है क्रैक एकदम उड़ गया है दिमाग। यदि ज़्यादा उड़ा है तो बोलो 1-2 बार में ठीक हो जाएगा, समझे? ओनली इन 1-2 टाइम। ओके, if these two triangles are congruent, then what you may write? Angle AOB equals to angle COD. Reason what you will write? Same thing, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Actually students, अरे यार नहीं भी पढ़ना चाहते हो, नहीं पढ़ना है तो कोई बात, जो पढ़ना चाहता है उसको पढ़ने दे, कॉपरेट करो, और जिसके पास जगह है वहाँ दूर दूर बैठो। कम स्प्रेड मुझे एक दोनों में चिपक करके खाली गप करने नहीं। ट्राई टू लुक एंगल AOB equals to COD. Why you will write? Why? CPCT, see from both angles are equal. Equal. Why? Because these two triangles are congruent. And just converse of this also. If two chords subtend equal angles at the center of a circle, then chords are equal. If two chords subtend equal angles at the center, then chords are equal in length. Just vice versa of this. And what we are studying, all of these we are studying students in one circle, and it may ask in two circle also. This may ask in how many circle? Two circles. But what should be condition there? What condition is there students? Two circles should be congruent there. Two circles should be congruent. When two circles are congruent, you stand. When you can say two circles are congruent?
Sir, when the sides and angles are equal in two triangles.
When you can say that two circles are congruent. In circles, neither there is side nor there is angle. Okay. Either radii or diameters are same. Two circles are said to be congruent if their radii are same or diameters are same. Or what you can say students, how you will prove two circles are congruent? It is very easy task. Try to listen me. You have to write only to prove two triangles. सीधा बैठो, जैसे क्या बैठे हो, पिक्चर देखने के होटल में गए, आदत सीखिए यार, थोड़ा सा बैठो डिसिप्लिन में, स्टूडेंट है, कहीं जानवर तो नहीं हो यार। डॉगी वगैरह रहता है तो उसको बांध के रखता है कम से कम। Means two circles are said to be congruent when their radii are equal or same. How students, how you can prove it? If we will place one circle over other circle in such a way, center of first circle coincide to other circle, then it will overlap the full circle or coincide to full circle. By this what we can conclude? Two circles are only congruent if their radii are same. If radii are not same, then that will not overlap first circle to second circle or second circle to first circle. This may also ask, anyone ask from you, teacher or any orally can ask, how two circles are said to be congruent? Means if their radii are equal. But if radii are equal, then how you can prove? We can write in statement only that one, that is congruent or not. How we can write students? It is very easy to prove. If we will place in proof, first we will write, we have two circles, we have to prove. If we have two circles and their radii are same, then what we have to prove? Two circles are congruent. What is students? Congruent. Then how you will prove it? How you will prove? Means you will write, if we will place one circle over the other circle, this you have to write in proof. If we will place one circle over the other circle, other circle in such a way, center of first circle coincide to center of other circle. Then in this case, first circle will complete cover the other circle or second circle, first or second, there are two circles only, no? First circle will complete cover the second circle. By this, what is clear, students? Two circles are congruent if their radii are same or equal. Understood? Students, what I gave you in one circle gave, no? It may be proved in two circles. Write this. Just converse of this also you may prove. If it will ask, if equal center, equal chords of two circles, equal chords of two circles, equal chords of two circles, subtend equal angle at the center, then this is the wrong question. Okay, students? If it will ask, prove that equal chords of congruent circles, equal chords of what? Congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center, then it is correct. If congruent given, then you may prove as like this only. That theorem, right? Just converse of this you can complete or not? Yes. All of you can complete, no? Yes. How you may prove it, students? Side from both triangles are congruent. If both triangles are congruent, then by CP, this angle equals to this angle. Okay? Many students are also using to prove this equal to this vertically opposite angle. But it is not necessary, students. It perform vertically opposite angle. If you will draw your figure, suppose that one chord here, you will write one chord here. Then how both will vertically opposite angle? So students, by doing both triangle as congruent, we will write this angle equals to this angle. By where from? CPCT, C. Right? Converse of this, right first. Prove that this you may write, or this proof also required. All of you students, all of you can do this one or require this proof? Can do, no? Yes. कर लेंगे नहीं, कैन डू. कम से कम हम लोग नहीं बोल पाते इतना बढ़िया, तुम लोग तो बोलो यार. मैथ्स टीचर बोल सकता है. राइट प्लीज. नेक्स्ट राइट थ्योरम नंबर 4. जस्ट कन्वर्स ऑफ दिस. ओके, राइट. Here write by CP what? This angle equals to right, this angle. Next write their stance. Prove that just converse of this. Prove that if two chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center, then they are equal in length. Just converse of theorem number 3 or not? Yes. Just converse of theorem number 3. Theorem number 3. This what I gave you. Just converse of this. There you will prove by side angle. Side you will take distance. There you may write this equals to this equals to this, and this angle equals to this angle already given there. So by side angle side, both triangle will congruent or not? Yes. If both triangle will congruent, then what you may write distance? AB equals to CD. Region CPCT. No. Right, next question. Next theorem number 5. Right. Next. Congruent वाला बना लो. AB equals to. तो वही अभी होता है. ये राइट कन्वर्शन. Prove that theorem में prove that रहेगा ये. Exact next right distance. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center. At their what distance? Center. Equal chords of how many circles? 2 congruent circles. How many? Congruent circles means how many circles? 2 Congruent means what? Two circles will be required there. Please. Two circles here you have to draw step. टाइम तो हो ही गया लेकिन आपका टाइम कब कब पूरा होगा अपना देखो। टाइम पूरा वही पता चल रहा है कि कितना समझ रहे हो। ठीक है, अच्छा टाइम हो जाएगा खुद चलेगा। Congruent circle means with the help of compass by taking same radius you have to draw how many circles? Two circles students with same radius. Okay, chords are equal. Two circles, in two circles you have to prove here. Here you have to take one is A, B and hey, don't talk please. Here it is A, B and here it is what given there is C, D. Subtend equal angles at their center. Equal angles at their center. This is O, this is, here you may give O dash. You may write distance, or you will write let. Try to look. This is also important. If each and everything you will write together, then you will not get full marks students. Many students are starting to solve only to prove it, only start to prove written and in to prove each and everything written. Then that is not correct. Each and everything write step by step and properly, completely. Okay. Then how you will prove it? Try to look. How explanation you will write? C1. Let C1 OR. Try to look here. C1 OR. C1 means first circle. O stands for center and R stands for radius. In senior class, this you will study students. In 11, 12 you will study. This is known as locus. What students? Locus. With the help of which we can draw a circle. Means with the help of this locus, we can identify the what students? What type of circle is that one? C1 OR is congruent to C2 O dash R. Radius are same. C1 OR congruent to. No need to write in word. Congruent to. Okay. C2 means second circle. O dash means center, R means radius, radii are same. Then what we have to prove students? To prove what we have to prove? What we have to prove there is angle AOB, angle AOB equals to what you have to prove? Angle CO dash D. CO dash D. Okay, CO dash D. How you will prove it? How you will prove it students? In triangle AOB, same work you have to do but in two different circles. Okay, different circle but same radii. Different center but same radii students. Then congruent. Two circles are said to be congruent if they have same radius. So same size from you have to take by using compass. If you are taking here 2 centimeter radius, here also 2 centimeter. Okay. In triangle AOB and here also one thing given and what given students? AB equals to what given there? In triangle AOB and triangle, what name is given? CO dash D. What name is given? CO dash D. CO dash D. What you will write there says OA equals to O dash C. Corresponding. OA equals to O dash C. What region we will write here? Radii of the two congruent circles. Not only radii of the same circle. Radii of the how many congruent circle? Two congruent circles. Here you will write OA equals to what you will write? O dash C Here what you write students? Radii of the congruent circles. Congruent and again OB equals to O dash D. OB equals to what students? O dash D. Here also same region, radii of the congruent circles. And AB equals to where? AB equals to what you will write the distance? AB equals to CD. Where from? Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D. Region stands side congruency criteria from. So angle AOB equals to what? Angle COD. COD given CO dash D. Region what stands? By CP CT C stands. This you have to prove. Okay, means if two means chords of congruent circles are equal, then they also subtend equal angles at their center. Students, listen me 2 minutes only. Means exercise 10.1, 10.2 and 10.3 up to 10.3. If you feel any problem at first from NCERT, then that you can ask students, and some more theorem you have to study. There is one and only one circle can be passed through the 3 non-collinear points, and some means some more theorem, and again you can start from either from Prachi or from NCERT. But after solved NCERT, you have to start what? Prachi or anyone, RS Agarwal.